TLE Cookery Quarter 4. Our lesson for today is all about select packaging materials. This lesson describes the skills and knowledge required to package and label prepared foodstuff for storage and transportation. It requires the ability to check the quality of food and select correct packaging materials.
Is food packaging. Food packaging is an integral component of food industry and helps to store food and beverages in hygienic manner. The packaging of food which requires protection, tampering, resistance, and special physical, chemical, or biological needs. It also shows in the product label any nutrition information on the food being consumed.
The main aims of packaging are: Number 1, to keep the food in good condition until it is sold and consumed. And 2, encourage customers to purchase the product. Correct packaging is essential to achieve both these objectives. Packaging should provide the correct environmental conditions for food, starting from the time food is packed through its consumption. A good package should therefore perform the following functions. Number 1, provide barrier against dirt and other contaminants, thus keeping the product clean. Second, prevent losses. For example, packages should be securely closed to prevent leakage. Number 3, protect food against physical and chemical damage. Package design should provide protection and convenience in handling and transport during distribution and marketing. Help the customers to identify the food and instruct them how to use it correctly. Persuade the consumer to purchase the food. Cluster or group together small items in one package for efficiency. Powders and granular materials need containment. Marketing. The packaging and labels can be used by marketers to encourage potential buyers to purchase the product. Correct packaging prevents any wastage, such as leakage or deterioration, which may occur during transportation and distribution. Types of packaging materials. Number 1, leaves. Banana leaves are often used for wrapping certain types of food, example yung suman. Corn husk is used to wrap corn, paste, or unrefined black sugar, and cooked foods of all types are wrapped in leaves. They do not, however, protect the food against moisture, oxygen, odors, or microorganisms, and therefore not suitable for long-time storage. Number 2, vegetable fibers. These include bamboo, banana, coconut, and cotton fibers. These natural materials are converted into yarn, string, or cord which will form the packaging material. These materials are very flexible, have some resistance to tearing, and are lightweight for handling and transportation. All of these materials are biodegradable and to some extent reusable. Number 3, wood papers. Wooden shipping containers have traditionally been used for a wide range of solid and liquid foods, including fruits, vegetables, tea, and beer. Wood offers good protection, good stacking, characteristic, and strength. Plastic containers, however, have a lower cost and have large replaced wood in many applications. Number 4, newsprint paper. Paper is an inexpensive packaging material. It is, however, highly absorptive, fairly easily torn, and offers no barrier to water or gases. The degree of paper reused will depend on its former use, and therefore paper that is dirty or stained should be rejected. Newsprint should be easy only as a outer wrapper and not be allowed to come into direct contact with food, as the ink used is toxic. Number 5, earthenware. Earthenware pots are used worldwide for storing liquids and solid foods such as curd, yogurt, beer, dried food, and honey. Corks, wooden lids, leaves, wax, plastic sheets, or combination of these are used to seal the pots. Number 6, glass. Glass has many properties which make it a popular choice as a packaging material. Glass is able to withstand heat treatments such as pasteurization and sterilization, does not react with food, protects the food from crushing and bruising, resistance to moisture, gases, odors, and microorganisms, reusable, resealable, and recyclable. Transparent, allowing products to be displayed. Colored glass may be used either to protect the food from light or to attract customers. Number 7, plastics. The use of various plastics for containing and wrapping food depends on what is available. Plastics are extremely useful as they can be made in either soft or hard forms, as sheets or containers, and with different thickness, light resistance, and flexibility. The sealing of plastic containers is similar to glass containers. Number 8, metal. Metal cans have a number of advantages over other types of containers. Advantages of using metal. Number 1, they provide total protection of the contents. Number 2, they are tamper-proof. Number 3, they are convenience for presentation. And disadvantages of metal food packaging materials. They are heavier than other materials except glass and therefore have higher transport costs. The heat treatment associated with the use of metal can is not suitable for small-scale production. A package is expected to perform three major functions. Number 1, to contain. During harvest time, packages could mean crates, baskets, boxes, and the like to contain the farm produce in bulk. These are also necessary to allow for stocking the products in their containers for storage of the warehouse or while awaiting transport. Number 2, to protect. When rough handling of perishable foods are minimized, speed of deterioration slows down. This is clearly observed with the farm products which have been given effective protection through proper use of the right containers. Number 3, to help sell. Consumers get attracted first to beauty, novelty, or additional utility of packaging materials. Many chocolate candies outsell each other through their package presentation. The package itself helps in product promotion. The more attractive it is, the greater the chances it will be noticed. A package can be classified according to its use. First, as a primary package. Second, as a secondary package. And third, as a tertiary package. As a primary package, this type of package is meant to directly contain the product. Hence, it gets in direct contact with the goods. Thus, this package is expected to meet all the requirements for safety and protection of the consumers like Tetra Pak or canned food package. And the secondary package, this is utilized to contain a specified number of unit packs. Thus, it may contain a dozen Tetra Pak or 2 dozen of tin cans or a gross of candies and so on. Its major function is to allow for the unit pack to be carried in bulk. In tertiary package, when transporting a bulk, the secondary package may have to be packed again for greater protection and for bulk transfer. Use of tertiary package is normally for bulk transport or storage in a large warehouses. This is the illustration of food packaged according to its use. In primary packaging, it is the material that first envelope the product and hold it. This usually is the smallest unit of distribution or use in is the package, which is direct contact with the content. In this picture naman, this is a secondary packaging. It is done outside of the packaging, perhaps used to group primary packages together. And then the third one is the tertiary packaging. It is used for bulk handling, warehouse, storage, and transport shipping. The most common form is a palletized unit load that packed tightly into container.